FNC 200 is a complete software package for 3 to 5 axis plasma, laser and water jet cutting machines. It is based on ARNC0 interpreter and interpolator modules from B&R Austria. No need to say that it should be used with B&R power panel hardware. The whole control system consists of power panel serving as an operator's console and CPU, I/O station, and a number of drives of a wide variety of types including AC servos, steppers, frequency inverters, DC servos that could be mixed arbitrarily within one machine. There are several strong points about the product. Firstly, the price-quality ratio is extremely good. There are no other freely available control systems in the market for the price of less than 8,000 euros for a 3-axis 4-drive machine capable of switching the cutting tool synchronously to the path at a 2.5 kHz rate. Secondly, the operator's interface is a very easy to use one. Depending on the operator's skill, teaching may take only 10 to 30 minutes. Finally, the software is freely expandable by the machine builders. This gives them the opportunity to implement their own know-how, adding unique control algorithms to the standard ones present in the system. Let us examine the interface. We will perform routine actions to show how easy it is to put the system into work. Firstly, we have to authorize ourselves. Observing no reasons against, we get the full access to the system. Next, we have to assign the standard and fast velocities to each axis. Then we have to reference all the axes. Of course, if absolute encoders are installed in the system, you can skip this step, but we are talking about a reasonably cheap solution with incremental encoders used as a rule. Now we switch to the jog mode. We perform different types of manually controlled movements. We adjust several parameters concerning the part program. If, for instance, we use parameterized programs or we need to shift or rotate the working plane. We can also automatically fix the actual workpiece location within the working table. Next step is to choose a program file to examine and run. We open the file manager, choose the source medium, edit the program and preview the cutting trajectory. Next, we load the program and start the execution. If we need to suspend the cutting process because of cutter wear out, or if some execution errors bring the system to a halt, it is easy to stop, return the cutter back along the path, or move it wherever it is needed for diagnostic, and then restart it from the exact point where it was stopped. We can also execute single block movements in the manual data input mode. As option, we can start the program from a definite block or PS number. Finally, there are a few screens providing convenient commissioning. Now we let you observe the power panel from rear. We change the compact flash and thus turn it into a 5-axis model. 5-axis model is as easy to operate as 3-axis, thanks to clear operator's interface.